Almost there. We are almost there. So what we want to do now is we want to focus on the styling. Alright, so let's get into that. So I'm introducing you to HighlightJS. HighlightJS, say hello to everybody. Alright, HighlightJS is shy. So this allows you to style your code, I guess. How else could I put it? It looks like this. Let's just check it out quickly. See, it looks like this, right? So, oh, and I could use some code here as well. Right, so this is what HighlightJS allows you to do. So we're actually going to use that here. So I downloaded, well, I didn't download it. So I just used the CDN. So I have this script. So first I have JavaScript, because I can't confirm if I need it or not. So I put jQuery, sorry, not JavaScript, jQuery. So that's just jQuery, and then we have the styling, and so this one is the CSS, and the styling is atom 1 dark min CSS. So you have different options to choose from, right? So I'm using the atom, as you can see, basic getting styling, right? So great, and then you just have to call highlight unload at the top of your page. So I do that as well. HLJS int highlight unload, and I think finally what your code should have is like the class name should identify what kind of code it is. So if it's language, if it's PHP or something else. Oh, I did not change that. So if I look here, right, in the code class, you want to put the type of you want to say language dash, and then we're just going to echo what I have for language, whether it's PHP or Python, whatever the case may be. So let's actually see if that works. Look how beautiful it looks. So I have additional